Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this we will discuss module 5 of Java programming language, a beginner's guide to Java programming language. So today is the second part of basic data types in Java programming language, and today we will discuss some more data types. And like in our previous videos, we have discussed integer and byte, and now in today's video we'll discuss long data type. So let's start. Long information sort is a 64-bit marked tools supplement whole number maximum value for this data type is 2 raised to the power 63 minus 1, which is equal to 9, 2, 2, 3, 372, 036, 854, 775, 807. Minimum value for this data type is minus 2 raised to the power 63, which is equal to, now we'll put a minus sign with this value. For a minimum value we'll type minus 9, 223, 372, 036, 854, 775 and 808. So we'll put 8 over here, and this sort is utilized when a more extensive memory range than integer is required. So whenever we need more space, more long variable, more memory locations, we will use long instead of integer, which requires less space. So for more extensive memory range than integer, we always prefer long, and we will use long as a data type. The default value, very important point for those data types, is 0, 1. An example is long x. Long is the data type, or x is the name of the variable. So we always need to use small l, and the value is assigned as 1746361, whereas we can use integer data type and assign variable y as minus 5, 3, 6, 4, 5 to 1. Now we'll discuss one more data type, very important, which is called float. You have learned C language, you have used all these long, double, float. So the same data types, keywords, names are used in Java language. So it is simpler right after learning C, C++. Java is not more difficult for learning. So float is a data type small f, which is known for its solitary exactness. 32-bit IEEE 754 gliding point. Float is for the most part used to spare memory in vast exhibits of coasting point numbers. The default value for this data type is 0.0f. Float information sort is never utilized for exact values. For example, money, and the example is float x. Float is the data type where x is the name of the variable. You can type any other variable name as well. 254,3f. So 3f means that it will use 3 decimal places right after the integer. So let's execute and program one more program in Java programming language, and the IDE we're going to use will be Eclipse. So to understand the concept of the long and float, we will run an executed program in Eclipse IDE. So viewers, we will execute a program, one more program in Eclipse. So we'll go to file menu. From new option we will click at the Java project like this, and we'll give the name of the program as prg2.java, and we'll not select any other thing. All are set. We'll click on the next button, and then we will click on the finish button, and the module name, the class for name we're gonna give is same as prg.java. So over here we will delete this module name of prg.java, name of the file, name of the project of Java. So we'll delete this and we'll create a new one over here and give the name as, we'll give a new class and give the name as, once again, show it, and we'll select this public static void main string arguments. So over here we're gonna execute one more program. So the name of the program is public class show. So we'll type name as class. So here is the name of the class is program, likewise like the one we have just executed. So the name of the class over here should be same. So public class program, here we will type public static void show, name of the function, init, without arguments, and then we will type in this structure byte b equal to 128 semicolon, then we'll give a remark by typing // and type -128 to 127 inclusive is the range of, it is the range of byte we have mentioned over here, and then we'll type short sh equal to 124 and then type // and type -32 768 to 32767, and then one more integer data type, name of the variable as I, and we will assign value as 256 semicolon line terminator and double forward slash for giving a remark. So we'll type minus 2 raised to the power 31 to and a maximum value of 2 raised to the power 31 minus 1. In the end, we'll use long L equal to 459 semicolon and then type double forward slash for giving a remark like minus 2 raised to the power. These are all the maximum and the minimum values raised to the power 63 to 2 raised to the power 63 minus 1. Now we're gonna type a remark at the top that PRG2 is the name of the program. PRG with an extension of Java. One more command of description that this program checking data type, value range. Now I'm going to use system dot out dot println and then type byte value like we have performed in the previous program plus B semicolon close line terminator and then make multiple copies like more 3 copies. So all will be used for integer, short integer and then log subsequently. So over here we'll type short value and then type plus sh over here. Over here we'll type integer value, type I plus I over here, and then over here we'll type long value and then type L over here. So now I'm gonna use the output of this method show. So we'll type it under the structure of void main method. So we'll just type show name of the function, so it will return the values. So we'll go to this part, run program, this button. Once we will click on this, we will select run as and then we will click on the Java application. It was a mistake, we have just debugged the program, and after debugging the value we have put over here was 128. Since you can see the maximum range is from minus 128 to 127, so we cannot give a value more than 127. So if we give 127, it will be accepted by byte, but like this. But if we type more than 127, then a red underline error can be seen on in the program, which is highlighted by the debugger. So we cannot give more than 127. Like if we give 130 or more than 127, it will be not accepted by the byte data type. So we need to type, if you want to type 128, then we have to type minus symbol with it, like it is accepted because the range is from minimum minus 128 to 127, all inclusive. So viewers, now the program is all set. Now we will click on this run program button and we'll select run as and then click on the Java application. So we'll press the OK button and then you can see the output, like byte value is minus 128 and 124 is the short value and 256 for integer and 459 is for long. So if you want to see that this system.out.println is used for displaying the output on the screen, so whatever is enclosed in the double quotes will be displayed as it is on the screen, but whatever is typed with the plus symbol will the value stored in this particular variable with particular data type is displayed on the screen, like minus 28 was assigned 20 to the B variable, so -128 is displayed as it is on the screen. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.